Welcome to eForms Wizard. My name is Suzanne, and today we're going to show you a brief tutorial on how to work with packages. When you launch eForms Wizard for the first time, you'll be taken to the screen where it defaults to your file menu options. Simply select Packages, and we are today going to work on creating a new package, opening an existing package or one that you've created, as well as sharing a package and importing packages that others have sent to you. As you may recall, there's a couple of ways that you can get to a package initially. When you're in the File option, anytime you create a new client or a new client application folder, and you select either Commercial Lines or Personal Lines options, you will see a list of packages on the right-hand side that you can select as part of your new client application folder. When working with existing clients, which is what I'm going to select now, at any point in time, you can go and open an existing client, again choosing that client, or selecting one on the left-hand side of the menu, or by using this drop-down. And you can go to Packages and open a package, either a Personal Lines package or a Commercial Lines package, to add to your application folder. Now back to working with packages. As you can see, we have the option to create a new package. Simply select the new package icon and give your package a name. I'm going to create a surety package and classify it as either a Personal Lines of Business or Commercial Lines of Business package. I'm going to select Commercial and hit Create. It's now prompting me to select my individual forms that I want to add to that package. I can again filter it by a number of different criteria here, such as bond package, and I can select these three items or forms that I want to add to my package. Another way would have been simply to come down here and type in bond, and because one of the classifications is type of form, it would have given you these three forms as well, and you could have selected them. So again, we've selected three forms as part of this package. Let's go ahead and add them, and you can see our package has been successfully created. Now let's go open that package. Select Open Package, again going to Commercial, and you can see that all the packages that we ship with the product are listed here. And we scroll down alphabetically and we see the surety package that I just created, and of course we can now open that package and add it to the client application. We can of course share packages that we've created or those that others have created for us. To share a package, just simply click Share Package. Again, select that same package and click Share. You are now presented with an email dialog box. You can type the email address of the person that you want to share it with, and you can see that the package is attached, as well as step-by-step instructions on how to import that package, which is very simple to do. So I'm going to send this package off to the recipient. When they get it, they will simply save that attachment to their desktop, and then they can go to Import. Again, tell the system what kind of a package it's going to be, either a Personal or Commercial Lines of Business package. We're going to call it Commercial. And then we can just simply select that package or any package that we want to access. I'm going to select a CPL package that was sent to me previously, and then I click Open, and now that package has been imported and is available for me to use. To view it, simply go back to Open Package. Again, it's under Commercial Lines, and you can see my CPL package now is there and available to use. That concludes the demonstration and tutorial on how to work with packages within Avast eForms Wizard. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 877-204-0704 or email us at support@avast.com.